Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Tarpey Elementary School in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District, wrapping up a California tour. Just so happy to be here. The sun is shining outside today, beautiful day inside our hearts and inside the MPR, where we held 2 assemblies. The main focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, respect fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger for ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, but also too, because in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do, our actions, our words, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it can stay in someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or opposite, we can say something so mean and destructive that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And we have this choice, right? To know that, yes, we sometimes see hatred in our lives, and sometimes we see a lot of hurt and pain, and we can either choose to reflect that, right, as mirrors. That's what people are. We're all mirrors, right? Or we can choose to reflect love, right, and to rise above that hate. And so all across campus, you see Spartan pride, you see we need to rise, and we really truly do need to do that, right? Because that means that we are truly rising by lifting others up higher than ourselves. That if we can show them kindness, if we can show them love, we can show them peace, then that's how we start to, make this world a more peaceful place, right? And it starts with our school environment. And Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. And we must be that change, right? If we want more kindness, if we want more peace, respect, then it starts with each of us, leading that change, choosing to step into that kindness that all of us are capable of. And this is the start of their bullying week here at their school, where they're focusing on that. So to create some more awareness around that issue, very, very important topic. And know that even if somebody's born different than us, right? If they walk different, talk different, see different, learn different, hear different, whatever it is, different skin color, speak a different language, eat different foods, whatever might potentially separate us, we can actually look for those ways as opportunities to actually unify us, bring us closer together, right? By knowing people's worth around us, the worth in ourselves. And that's not just looking at someone's heart first before anything else, but this too. We all have the letter M with the lines on our hand, right? I traced one of mine here. It says it on my shirt too. And this M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. If we can actually buy into this, right? See this in ourselves, we can go out into this world and start to see that in others too, that might have never been told that, might have forgotten that, or just need a reminder, right? And we really have to then be, able to get past any pain that we have in our hearts. So we turn hurt people who hurt people, probably the biggest reason why I see bullying happen, into healed people who heal people. That if we can let that love fully enter our heart, then we're able to start helping to heal others by showing them the same kindness that was shown to us, right? And Dr. King, he said that darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate can't drive out hate, only love can do that. And he said we have to stick with love, right? The time is always right to do what's right. And what is right is to treat everybody like you treat your best friend, show that compassion to everybody around us, and just truly see them for their heart first and for this too. So thank you guys so much for touching my heart. You're beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.